So, chiropractic adjustments can affect cognitive function and can help with mental clarity by reducing the blockages that are caused from subluxations and inflammatory increases in the body. A chiropractic adjustment can basically break up adhesions or reduce inflammation in a certain area, okay? Once you reduce the inflammation in the affected area, or once you allow for the movement to become better, back to normal in the affected area, then your body starts to recycle and clean up the inflammation there, okay? If you reduce the inflammation from your nervous system specifically, then your body is able to process information better, which can end up helping with mental clarity.